If I told you that the CDCP exam is officially a 60-minute closed-book exam with 40 multiple-choice questions, and you need 27 correct answers to pass, would that make you feel confident or nervous? The truth is, the CDCP is not an exam you pass by guessing. It tests whether you really understand the core building blocks of a mission-critical data center: power, cooling, cabling, fire protection, physical security, monitoring, and operations. And because this certification is accredited by EXIN and built on EPI's framework, it carries real weight for anyone working in and around the data center environment. If you are planning to take the Certified Data Center Professional exam, this video will give you a complete study guide and practical tips to help you prepare the right way. I'm going to walk you through what the exam is really testing, how to structure your preparation, what topics deserve the most attention, and how to approach exam day calmly and professionally. And one important note before you book your training or exam: always verify current exam details at the official EPI and EXIN websites, because certification requirements and versions can change. First, let's understand what the CDCP is meant to do. This is a foundation-level certification, but do not confuse foundation with easy. Foundation means it validates broad practical understanding of data center facilities and operations. According to the official guidance, the certification is aimed at IT, facilities, and data center operations professionals who work in and around the data center and are responsible for improving availability and manageability. In simple terms, this is for people who need to understand how the full environment works together, not just one isolated technology. That matters because a data center does not fail only because of servers. It can fail because of poor grounding, bad airflow, incorrect power redundancy, weak physical security, poor fire suppression planning, or a lack of proper monitoring and documentation. CDCP helps you think like a complete data center professional. So if your background is networking, security, facilities, AV, or project delivery, this exam is valuable because it forces you to connect the dots across disciplines. Now let me give you the first big study tip: study based on the exam weight, not just based on what you personally like. The official preparation guide shows that 85% of the exam focuses on facilities of the data center, and 15% focuses on operations. That means if you spend all your time on operational concepts,